Let's see today's simple methi bhaji. Now here I have just soaked the methi leaves in water with some salt added to it for about 15 to 20 minutes, then drained it out, rinsed it well, and then put it into a colander and let all the water seep out. Now once all the water is seeped out, I'm just going to chop them up and cut the methi really fine. Now at the end of this video, you will see how I clean methi and how I store it also. And basically you got to use this in a day or two that when you purchase it. So it's fresh. Don't keep it for very long, for about a day or two maximum. So at the end of the video, I've shown you how I pluck the methi leaves and how I store them. Also, friends, I'm just going to pop in because I want you all to know about something. So it'll just take half a minute, but there's something I'd like all of you guys to know about. So keep watching.
It's Akshata here. I just wanted to pop in and let you know about my Amazon storefront. I get loads and loads of questions as to Akshata, what is this gas stove that you're using? What is your oven, the brand of your oven? What is the capacity of the oven? What is the make? Then what are the measuring cups that you use? What are the different cake tins that you use? So all of this I have put up on my storefront along with other categories like electronics, phones. This is basically stuff that I buy or I keep on my wish list, and I would recommend that you can buy them. They're one of the best deals with regard to quality as well as prices. So I've categorized them into different categories like pots and pans, baking essentials, cooking essentials, health, foods. So you can go and check it out. The link is down below. And you can just click on it, it'll take you directly to the Amazon storefront. And even if you're looking out for something and you would like to know what are the best deals happening, you can write to me down in the comment section, or my email address is there down in the comment section. Just click on the email, it'll take you to, you can just write to me as to what you're looking for, and I can send you a mail back telling you what are the best recommended products. So that's what I wanted to tell you, and now back to the video, guys.
And now getting back to the recipe. So here I've taken a pan and I've added 1 teaspoon of oil. Now once our oil starts to heat up, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds begin to splutter, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera. I'm then going to add 3 green chilies that I've just cut into half and fry the chilies really well. Now I'm going to add 4 cloves of garlic that I've just crushed to a very coarse paste. Now I've got to fry the garlic also well. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of asafoetida or heenga and half a teaspoon of haldi powder or turmeric powder. Now I've chopped up 1 medium onion fine, and I'm going to add that, and I'm going to fry the onion also well. Now I'm just going to cover and cook this pan, cover and cook the onions till they become a little bit soft. Once that is done, I'm going to add my chopped up methi leaves. And I'm going to fry everything really, really well, or mix everything really, really well. So see that the onions and the methi and the bagar, is really mixed nicely. Now this methi doesn't take a long time to cook. So now I'm just going to cover and cook it for about 2 minutes, stirring in between. Now after 2 minutes, just give it a gentle stir. And now we're just going to flavor it with a little bit of salt and a little bit of sugar, because methi has a little bit of bitterness in it. So I'm going to add some salt to taste. And I'm also going to add a pinch of sugar. Now mix everything really, really well. Now if you watch the video till the end, I'll show you, how to buy the right kind of methi also. So keep watching the video till the end. And again, after 2 minutes, just cook, just cover and cook for another 2 minutes, and again stir in between. And then now we're going to cook it without the cover for another 2 minutes. And this let all the water dry up. And that's it, friends. Your lovely simple methi bhaji is all ready to enjoy. And now I'm going to tell you how I clean the methi. So basically, just pluck the leaves out. Now, when you're buying the methi, first, you just have to buy the methi which has this very white kind of a stalk, a very thin kind of stalk like this, not the very thick kind of stalk. Even the leaves have to look very fresh and tiny. They shouldn't look very dark green. They shouldn't be very thick, but they should be very tender like this. So just pluck out the leaves, and what I like to do is I like to store it in some paper, because that way it lasts long. But like I said, don't keep the methi for more than a day or two. Just, I mean, the day you buy it, clean it up, and you use it up either that day or the next day, because it does have a very short life. And if you store it for more than 2 days, you'll see that there's a lot of moisture and some of the leaves start to wilt. So I generally buy the methi, clean it up the same day, and use it up the same day or the next day at the most. So then once I've cleansed the methi, I just kind of put it into some paper like this. This is one way of storing it. And another way of storing it is how I just show you how I do it with all my leafy vegetables. This is coriander, of course, but I put paper at the base of the box, the airtight container. Then I put the leafy vegetables in it, and again I cover it with some paper. So that's how I store my clean and store my methi.
Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye, and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.